incredible secret strategy that no one else knows about, and where you can earn $200 up to $3,000 without having any skills or experience. There are only a few people who know about this secret strategy, and they're making tons of money every single month. And today, you're going to be one of them. If you're a complete beginner at the making money online field, then this method is the perfect one for you. It helped me so much as a beginner, and I know that it's going to do my subscribers some good too. And that's why I knew I just had to share it. You guys are important to me, and I always want to make you guys successful with each and every method that I share with you on my YouTube channel. And that's why I give you guys complete strategies with a lot of love and concern added into the whole process to give you guys only the best of the best. You know that I am all about the free-flowing life, so I made sure that this secret method is going to be the easiest way to make money that you've ever encountered in your whole life. I honestly think that you're not ready to hear this, but I just want you guys to already know so all of us can earn money and be successful. Again, my method is completely free. You don't need to invest anything, pay for anything. There's nothing like that because I don't want you guys to have to pay just to earn. I always try and discover methods that will not require you to pay a single penny so that you can make tons and tons of it without any worry of shelling out money of your own. Also, this method is available worldwide, so if you're from anywhere in the world, which I assume that you are, you have no excuse to not join in today's method. This method just might be the key to the greatest life ever, and I can't wait to witness it. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video, and let's jump right into it. Now I want you to go on moneypantry.com, and this is what you should see. Welcome to Money Pantry, simple solutions to earn and save more money. Money Pantry is a personal finance blog with a focus on helping you earn and save more money. We scour the world to bring you extraordinary, unusual, yet practical ways of making money and saving more of that all-important dough. This is not a get-rich-quick site. This is a blog for those of us who want a better financial life. A blog for those of us who want to use our skills, knowledge, and time as money-making tools so we can get a side hustle going, making some extra money in our free time, save a little more of what we already have, pay off debt, and everything else that makes life a little easier and less stressful. Our free and practical money tips include work-at-home jobs, side hustles, unusual ways of making money online, practical ways of saving money at home, online, in the store, and everywhere else. Small business ideas, online service sites that pay cashback sites, real freebies and samples, great deals and discounts, and how to get more, and so much more of this. If it can earn and save you money, Money Pantry will find it for you. Best of Money Pantry is to make it easier for you to get started. We have gathered the best of Money Pantry from 3 of our most popular categories. So you read these first, then scroll down to find and read their latest posts. As you can see here, make money, save money, and freebies. And we will obviously focus on making money. And there are quite a few options laid down for us already, but we want you to go back at the top and then look up Get Paid to Write 101 sites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post, and we want you to click on that result. And as you can see, you will get paid $50 to $3,000 to write or blog about anything at all. And if you scroll down, you will see all of the websites that do this. If you're new here, let me know in the comments down below where you're from because I would love to know. Now let's continue. So we have a list of sites that will pay you to write about vacation travel. We have ones that will pay you about general interests. And the more you scroll down, the more options you'll actually see, which I personally think is great because it gives everyone a chance to write about what they truly want to write about and earn really good money from it. Now, as an example for today's video, we want you to choose to write about general interest because it's general and I think it's what's going to be the easiest thing to write about. Something that everyone can actually relate to. So we're going to click on Vibrant Life right here. That claims that they pay $100 up to $300 per post. Now, Vibrant Life is a bi-monthly magazine with a focus on healthy living, physically, mentally, and spiritually, with a Christian perspective. One very interesting fact about this one is that they do accept already published articles under certain circumstances. You can expect anywhere from $400 to $100 to $300 per article. Once you click on this link, you'll be brought over here where you will see all of the guidelines for those who want to apply. It has literally everything that you need to know. So if you want to know more, you want to know how to apply, then we suggest that you go onto this website specifically and read through this whole page to know everything you need to know. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. This time, Google search comes in. In order to make a great submission, you're going to look up articles on google.com. And let's say you want to write about health, specifically how to lose weight. So you're going to go on Google and then look up articles on how to lose weight. And so I found this one, which is the first search result. And as you can see, it enumerates what you need to do to lose weight and maintain that weight. And it's a really nice article, and what you're going to do is copy your favorite parts of the article and then paste it on quillbot.com. And on this website, you will be able to have whatever it is that you just copied, paraphrased, and completely written. And this is a must because you're not allowed to plagiarize, obviously. So make sure that you go on quillbot.com and then paste your favorite parts of the article and make sure that you create a whole article first on the first box. And until you feel like it's good, you can then paraphrase it and boom, just copy the paraphrased version of your already ready article, submit it to Vibrant Life, and then you're going to earn. And to submit to Vibrant Life, you just want to open your email account and then compose an email and make sure to address it to heather.quintana@pacificpress.com. I'm going to leave that somewhere on the screen so you can pause that and then take a quick look, copy that into your email so you will get the right address. So make sure that you copy that correctly so that it will be sent to the right person. And then all you need to state in that email is your full name, where you're from, how old are you, a little intro on what you're writing about, wish them well, and let them stay safe. Thank them, and then end your email, and make sure that before you send your email, your article is already attached to the email, and make sure that it's all complete, it's all ready. Then hit send, wait for their response, which we're 100% sure will be quick. Boom, there you have it, $3,000 straight into your PayPal account with barely any work at all. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date. Love y'all. See you in the next one.